Did you know that 87% of land in Ontario is Crown land? That's 39 million hectares of land and water that's managed by the Ministry of Natural Resources and Forestry. But the ministry will actually consider selling you the land for cottage development, although you can't buy it directly. The land first needs to be sold to a municipality, which is who you would purchase the property from. Once your municipality buys the land, they'll perform a series of public consultations, an environmental assessment, and finally a review period where they will approve or deny your application. As for the price, you can expect to pay market value for the land. Things such as economic advancement opportunities, environmental impact, and consultation with Indigenous groups are all things the ministry will take into consideration when determining the sale price. Fair warning, buying this type of land means you could be subject to conditions and restrictions, and you'll need a Crown land-specific work permit in order to make certain changes to your property. But it's a good option to consider if you haven't been able to find that perfect plot of land just yet. Because who knows? Maybe one of those 39 million hectares will have great sunsets and a perfect spot for swimming.